VKTX stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Viking Therapeutics, well, 10% down is where we're at. I saw first shift, which is solid. You know, today we kind of gapped up, so great performance, but I'm going to get into it in a second. I've made so many previous receipts with VKTX, like so many. And before I get into it, well, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, with 39,000 videos, exact videos like this, every single day for 4.5 years. I don't think that I can be actually compared to no one like doing videos like this, right? It's crazy volume, and you cannot fake it. The current range is still this high, you know, like even though my previous bias was correct, and let me actually show you the proof there here. Right, man, this was made like a month ago, 13th of March. Right? And guess what? Since then, this is exactly what has happened. Exactly. Boom. This is the after. What time frame is this? 1 hour. Let's go 1 hour. Right, you get the point. Since it has fallen, I'm gonna count the gonna move this to right about here. Still gonna keep that for sure. We have just this supply now. So this is that. And honestly, like, as long as we're beneath $31, it's still a bearish range. So I don't have my hopes up that much. And even if there's like a double break, I'm still very open-minded to taking things even further lower. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be like this forever, but for right now, sure thing. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.